4. Write down the first three terms of the sequence whose nth term is given by n minus 1. Now remember, n represents the counting numbers, okay? So if they want the first three terms, this one, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. And we'll work out what the nth term gives us here. So when n is 1, we can just sub it in here, okay? So n minus 1 becomes 1 minus 1. So you replace n with 1, and of course that comes out to be 0. When n is 2, okay, you put it in there, 2 then, take away 1 is 1, okay? So we're just using that formula there, and of course they want the first three terms. So we've done the first two terms, now the third term, of course, is when n is equal to 3. So we put 3 in here, so 3 minus 1 is 2. So we've got a very simple sequence there going up in ones. Part B then says, write down an expression for the nth term. Now for the nth term, you look at the gap between each term, and you can see it's going up in 3s. Each are going up in 3s, so that means we write down 3n, okay? So when it's going up in 3s, if that's the gap, you write 3, because it's going up in 3s, so you write 3 in front of the n. What you do then is, you just imagine there's a term before it. If there was a term before it, what term would be there? Think about it. Because it's going up in 3s, the term before it would of course be 2, wouldn't it? That's what would have been there. So that's then what we add on or take away. Now because it's a plus 2, I put plus 2 there, okay?